What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of World of Science. My name is Suraj.R. Jutti, and today we are going to continue our topic human cell. In the last video, we had learned about cell theory. We had also studied about some cell organelles like nucleus, which is the main control center of the cell. We also had learned about cell membrane and cytoplasm, where cell membrane is a protective layer of the cell and cytoplasm is a gelatinous fluid inside the human cell which contains all the cell organelles. Today we are going to learn briefly about some other organelles like nucleus, mitochondrion, Golgi complex, and lysosome, vacuole, and endoplasmic reticulum. So let's begin. So first comes nucleus. Nucleus is a region which is found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with the production of cell ribosomes. These ribosomes are transported to the cell cytoplasm by nucleus, where they serve as the sites for protein synthesis. This nucleus also carries genes, which are the structure that contain the hereditary information. It helps in inheriting of characters from their parents to the offsprings. So nucleus also produces ribosomes which help to the cell in protein synthesis. So next comes mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are also known as the powerhouse of the cell. The energy required for various chemicals activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine phosphate molecules. So mitochondria means it has two folded membranes. Outer one is softer but inner one is little rough. These two membranes help the mitochondria to produce the ATP molecule, which is adenosine triphosphate molecules. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by the mitochondria in the form of ATP, which is produced by mitochondria. So ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate molecules. So the next comes is Golgi body, Golgi apparatus, or Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus was first found and described by Camillo Golgi. He said that it consists of a system of membrane-bound vessels. These membranes often have a connection with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum and therefore constitute another portion of complex cellular membrane system. Its functions also includes storage, modification, and packaging of the products in vessels. It is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. So basically, Golgi apparatus was described by Camillo Golgi. He said that these consist a system of membrane vessels. These membranes have a connection with endoplasmic reticulum, which constitute another of complex cellular membrane system. It also helps in packaging products in vessels. It is also involved in the formation of lysosome. So next comes lysosomes. So what are lysosomes? Lysosomes are the membrane-bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they are membrane-bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. They are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. They help the cell by cleaning or digesting foreign particles as well as worn out cells of organelles. So it also breaks complex substances into simpler substances easily, and they contain powerful digestive enzyme. So it helps in the cleaning the cell. They are also called the suicidal bags of the cell. Means if case that the whole cell has worn out, it blasts and destroys the cell. So they are also called suicidal bags of humans. So next comes vacuoles. Vacuoles are the cell membrane bound compartments which help for temporary storage of materials. It is a vacuole. A vacuole is a sac which is surrounded by a membrane. Vacuoles often store food, enzymes, and other materials needed by cell, and some vacuoles store waste products. Vacuoles are like the storage which temporarily stores some materials. It's surrounded by a membrane. Vacuoles often store many things like enzymes, food, and other materials needed for cell, and some vacuoles contain store waste products. So vacuoles are like the storage system of the human cell. So next comes the endoplasmic reticulum. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? It's a network of sac-like structures and tubes in the cytoplasm. Proteins and molecules move through the endoplasmic reticulum to the nucleus. So we can say that endoplasmic reticulum is like a network or a railway connection to the nucleus or in the tubes of cytoplasm. They synthesize or forward the proteins and molecules which move through the endoplasmic reticulum and reaches the human nucleus. So there are probably two parts of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and other is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum mainly produce and export lipids and other proteins. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum produce some lipids and proteins which are needed for the human cell. And RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum produce or secrete and also export proteins and few hormones needed for the working of the cell and the organism. So next comes difference between animal cells and plant cells. So what are the main differences between animal cell and plant cell? So we can say that animal cell are smaller as compared to plant cell. So animal cell does not have cell wall, but plant cell have cell wall to be protected from weathers like wind, rain, storm, etc. So in animal cells, nucleus is found in the center, whereas in plant cells, nucleus is found on the side. So next comes vacuoles. Humans or animal cell have many vacuoles, but plant cell has only single and large vacuole in the center of the cell. And next, animal cell cannot synthesize nutrients, and but plant cell synthesizes nutrients. Animal cell do not contain plasmodemata, and plant cells has plasmodesmata. And also, animal cell do not have plastids which is found in plant cells which help them in the photosynthesis. So animal cells are generally small in size. Okay, except the protozoan euglena, no animal cell possesses plastids in animal cell, but in plant cell, plastids, which are also known as chromoplasts and leucoplasts, are present, which help in the photosynthesis and help to trap sunlight energy. So as we can see here that vacuoles are very small and many in the animal cell, whereas in plant cell it is a large one and it is situated in the center of the cell. So I hope you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be bringing more videos related to science, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.